Kiyama-san, great to have you here, and thanks for the partnership. We have worked a long time together. Last year in Mobile World Congress together we showed the 5G-connected cameras, the high-definition professional cameras. This year you are taking the next step when it comes to network APIs, using network slicing, getting the right performance for these cameras, and they are commercial cameras now. So can you tell us a little bit about the solution and the journey?
Yeah, thank you very much, Erik. First of all, thank you very much for the collaboration between Ericsson and Sony for such a long time. And as you say, this year, we are doing network slicing through the network API. That is very important. Why? Sony, as a camera hardware provider, we do have a lot of creators, such as photojournalists or broadcast. And for example, the photojournalists, they are working in very crowded stadium. And they definitely need a QoS streaming for their cameras, even with the crowded conditions. Or broadcaster is requiring such a high QoS, very high quality, very high density network capability because they want to deliver HD live production over 5G, which requires QoS 5G. But there is a limitation of the 5G capacity. That's why we are now developing dynamic QoS control, collaborating with you, as you know. And with the dynamic QoS, even with the limited capacity of the 5G, we can utilize multiple cameras dynamically sliced. So this year we are showing those kind of new features, collaborating with you.
You almost answered this, Kiyama-san, but how well is it working? Does it work now? This is commercial cameras. This is your PDT device, a 5G device that you can use with any camera. So is it working in commercial operation now?
Yeah, thank you very much for bringing up this very important question. So we delivered PDT FP1, which is the transmitter for cameras. We also delivered the RPU7, which is the very ultra-low latency encoder for cameras. Together with very high quality camera, PDT FP1, RPU7, we can provide end-to-end very ultra-low latency camera system. And with the network slicing, with the network API, we can finally complete our new solution together with 5G.
And since we're also showing here how the industry is coming together, operators coming together through the Aduna venture that we also have on display out here, there will be quality on demand APIs around the world. So networks will offer this for providers or for media companies, for broadcasters like those using Sony equipment. So whenever and wherever they need that capability, they would be able to order this, get it on demand, to your point, dynamically, and be able to have a really great camera experience with all the flexibility still at the highest performance.
Thank you very much. And yes, as you say, network API is just started. For me, it's kind of R&D stage. So I really appreciate Ericsson's leadership to have Aduna as a new joint venture company, including global mobile network operators. So Sony would like to closely collaborate with the new company too.
Yeah. Well, we have much to do there, Kiyama-san, but thanks for the collaboration so far, and thanks for the great examples that we're showcasing here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.